Uber and Bolt drivers, you may be surprised. TfL might hold you up to £500, and a lot of drivers don't know this yet. If your license renewal got delayed last year, this video could literally be money in your pocket. So don't skip. Watch to the end. Hi, and welcome to Ride Also, the channel where we dive right behind the wheel of an Uber driver here in London. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Bola, your host. You may have noticed the change in backdrop. This is because I'm on holiday in Tunisia, and to be precise, in Hammamet. I decided to use some of the downtime to catch up on my emails. And to my surprise, I have over 100 unread emails in my inbox. Among them was one important TPH notice from Transport for London. The notice stated, "We have introduced a Goodwill Payment Scheme for existing licensees who have been impacted by the license processing delays and who have met certain criteria." TfL went on to explain the reasoning behind their decision, and this was broken down into 6 different categories. Number 1, why we are introducing the scheme, eligibility for the scheme, goodwill payment amount, why new applicants are not included, how payments will be made, compensation schemes. Guys, when you have a moment, please check your email. This particular email I'm referring to in this video was actually sent out by TfL on the 22nd of January 2026. By the way, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to do just that. Let's continue with today's video. Now, if you have been driving in London for some time, you already know how stressful renewals of license can be. You are checking your emails, refreshing your portals, bills still coming in, but you cannot work because your license hasn't been renewed. It all started after the rollout of the new license processing system. It was a big rollout indeed, coupled with the recovery of the cybersecurity incident. This led to the delays being experienced by some of the existing drivers. Long story short, renewals got stuck. Some drivers were waiting for weeks, and some couldn't even drive at all. To fix this issue and minimize disruption, TfL recruited additional licensing staff, issued short-term licensing to keep some drivers on the road, prioritized license renewal. However, for some drivers, the damage has already been done. Good news, TfL has introduced what they call Goodwill Payment Scheme, one-off goodwill payment. Now, who qualifies for this scheme? Let's break it down. This is only for existing drivers, not new applicants. If your renewed PHV license was issued between September 2024 and December 2025, and you must have passed any mandatory driver's assessment before your license expired, you might be qualified. How much can you get? Again, let's break this down. Here is the interesting part that everyone cares about. As one-off goodwill payment, TfL will refund both the application and license fee. PHV drivers, that is Uber and Bolt, they will get £310, which is basically their license fees refunded. But if you were off-road for more than 7 days, TfL says you will get up to £500. How do you get paid? You don't need to apply or chase TfL. TfL will contact eligible drivers and put a check in the post to them. Yes, check. Old-fashioned, I hear you say, but money is money. TfL issued this warning. This is one-off Goodwill payment. It's not a compensation. If you think TfL delays cost you thousands in lost earnings, they are basically saying talk to a lawyer. My final advice, check your license date. Check when your renewal was issued. And don't ignore posts from TfL, especially now because a check could be waiting in your letterbox. Drop a comment if you were affected by the license delays. If this information helped you, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, drive smart, stay informed, and I shall see you in the next episode.